here. These are fern trees, everyone. These are really ancient trees. We have found fossils of fern trees that are over 35 million years old. That shows that they haven't really evolved much in that time. So they live a very codependent, not really codependent, that's the wrong word, symbiotic relationship with the mountain ashes. So the fern tree has a really shallow root system, and we'll just make some space for these guys. Just quickly, guys, thank you. Fern trees have really shallow roots. The mountain ash have really deep roots, so they don't really get in each other's way underground. And fern trees also really love shade, so they love growing next to the really tall trees in here. As a result, it's not really a prerogative for fern trees to get very tall. They only grow at about an inch a year as a result. In saying that though, knowing that they only grow an inch a year, and you got this big bastard right next to us that's like, that'd be 6 meters tall, something like that. You can imagine how old that tree is. Really bloody old. It's really, really interesting. Follow me, we'll keep going.
Very dense.
Pine trees and stuff would be very common. Yeah. That's it, right? Cool. Guys, I want to show you this tree right here. This tree is so weird, we heritage listed it. So, come take turns. Come have a look at the bottom of this tree here. You might notice there's a big abscess at the bottom. It kind of looks like the trees are standing on their tippy toes up there. So a lot of the trees in this area, this is a myrtle beech tree. This also applies to the mountain ashes. They start their life by growing on top of overturned logs in the area. That's where they get their initial nutrients. And because these trees are a few hundred years old, the log underneath will eventually decompose and vanish, and you're left with a bunch of trees that look like they're on their tippy toes here. So it is so exceptionally rare for 2 or 3 myrtle beeches to do this on a single log. And it looks like it's the one tree with 3 different trunks going up. That's what makes this tree so special here. So it's a really gorgeous tree. Gets a little bit phallic on the left there, but that's okay. Otherwise, yeah, really gorgeous. I want to show you this tree over here as well. Alright, so this is a mountain ash tree again, and again a really good example of a tree that started growing on a log and that log has disappeared, leaving with a tree on its tippy toes. Here. So another reason that the mountain ash trees are so great at catching fire, as you can see, they're hollow on the inside. So they're big, thick trees, and it looks like there's a lot of volume to them. But there's really not. There's a lot of air in the middle. So when a fire comes through and you've got a tree like this with an exposed rear end, I guess, it's just a chimney, really, for a fire. All the air can go straight through the middle of the tree and the interior of the tree can start burning as well. So local indigenous people, the Gardivanak people, love using the wood from mountain ash trees for their villages and whatnot. When the Europeans first came, they didn't know really what they were looking at. They just saw a really wide tree and they thought to themselves, jackpot. Like, we can grow so much stuff with this. We can build so much stuff with this, I'd rather say. But when they chopped it down and found that most of it was hollow, just looked at each other and went, crap, there's like no wood here. So that's a really beautiful tree. I don't have much more to say for the rest of the trip. You know, it's very tranquil. Take in the tranquility whilst you're through here. And we'll keep going.
Outfit anak terus.
I think is this my first time hiking here?
Yeah.
Not really lah. Blue Mountain is already.
Correct.
look back.
One, two, three. And one, two, one, two, three.
This rainforest got a lot of ferns.
What imagine yesterday where they got come here for
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
啊？这有拍？那要拍哪里？
不好意思。 There's a sign up there, go there. Maits Rest.
ശേഷം
maximum 2 continents ഉണ്ടാവില്ല